Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2300 MK. Single slide out, great couples camper, rear bathroom, private front bedroom. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you're doing, don't have access to in travel. Always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. All right, as soon as you come in, your slide out, bedroom up front. And looking back, you got your bathroom in the back. That's where we're gonna start. This is a very similar floor plan to back in the day, the 2150 Imagine, so they've kind of revamped that. But your bathroom, tons of room around that foot flush toilet. Your shower, I'm 6'5", my head is just inside the skylight. You've got your retractable shower door. You've got kind of the accent on there, so it's not so see-through. Shower heads at a good height. Your little cubby holes. Rear window has got a shade, towel bar, drawer, good spot for a trash can. Lots of countertop space around that sink. You've got your hot water heater controls. Lots of storage here with the soft closed doors. You do have an exhaust fan, AC duct, and then down low you do have a heat duct. Solid door to close off the bathroom. As soon as you enter in, you've got a motion sensor light, heat duct, your compass connect to control your lights, awning, check your holding tank, slide, JBL sound system. We're back to the speaker, your stereo setup. It is Bluetooth. Your theater seat. You have the footrests. They do recline. You've got the center divider with a charging area, cup holders. But you also have footrest in the middle for 3 people to sit. Another charging area there. You've got plenty of room out front. There's a table. We'll take a look at that. That's at the lowest height. You've got 3-4 different settings to raise it up. So good at coffee table height here, but it will raise all the way up for kitchen use or for sitting in front of and eating. You've got deep drawers that pull out. Nice countertop area, great for bar stools. Another charging area. Spot for a trash can that pulls outside as well. TV's on a swivel arm, so easy access. You can view it from everywhere. Exhaust for your range exhaust outside, microwave, and you got a flush cover over that 3-burner range. LED lights. Spot to hold your pots and pans in place with these pegs. More drawers and storage everywhere. Lights, nice backsplash here. Deep sink with the cover. Again, we mentioned soft close, but you also have the magnets. Another exhaust fan, ducted AC, countertop extension for more usable workspace, and your Furrion 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Thermostat, another solid door to close off the bedroom. You've got, there's the table, storage underneath, bar stools for around the bar for extra seating area, second entry door, fuse panel, circuit breakers. You got receptacles here, receptacles there and cubby hole. Soft touch headboard with lights. Towel bar, closet for hanging storage. Overhead storage, and again, soft close. You are prepped for a second AC. Fire escape window. And you got a spot for a second TV as well. Dimmers on those lights. Your brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2300 MK. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. Hey guys, before we head outside, if you're coming to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside, your new logo on the front. Power tongue jack with the model number. You've got a 7-pin holder right here. You've got two 20-pound LP bottles under the cover. Spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. Nice little rock guard. Your pass-through storage with the non-skid flooring. Dock for your tire link. LED lights. Battery and solar disconnect. Your solar controller, cable, power, outside shower. You can feed everything right through the bottom here so you can keep this door shut. You've got a nice thick slam latch door that's got a magnet. You got a dry weight of 6,104 pounds. Moving down the side here, got your black tank flush, all 4-corner manual stabilizer jacks, and your sewer hookup. You've got your convenience light, factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, roof vents, skylight, solar panel, TV antenna, the top of your slide out, nice clean roof. Prep for a backup camera. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Your receiver on the back, you've got a 300-pound weight rating on that. Good for bike rack, storage bin. Tankless water heater by Furrion. Full-length power awning with the support arm in the middle. You got the step above entry steps that fold right into the camper. Your spray port, you can hook here, will reach the steps around back. Your other jacks. Large assist handle on both doors. You got an exhaust for your range. Goodyear Endurance tires. Inside here, you've got access to the trash can, which you see you could do from the inside, and a spot for paper towels. Your second entry door, so you can get in through the main entrance or the bedroom. Other side of that pass-through storage, there's that 50 amp power cord. Hand cranks, and then the quick connect hose for the outside shower. Again, slam latch doors. Your brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine 2300 MK. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, the door closed. You got full access to the bathroom. And then you've got room to get through here. You can still get into about, a little over a third of the refrigerator and full access to the freezer. So you do hit the door there. You can still get a milk jug in or out, but slide in, still getting the sink, range, bathroom. You would just be going in the other door if you need to get into the master bedroom.